I've always had a passion for communication of ideas. I like to take scientific knowledge and I like to transform that knowledge into messages that the public can understand. I am a journalist by training. A journalist can communicate verbally and textually, or that journalist can also communicate with visuals. What I teach is essentially the introduction to communication through visualizations. In the past decade or decade and a half, there has been a substantial increase in the appearance of maps and graphs and charts. And one of the reasons why that has happened is that through the analytics, these organizations are seeing that the public really likes to see that type of product. The most popular stories are data visualizations. There's something that ails most people who work in highly specialized fields called the curse of knowledge. You know so much about your field that it is very hard for you to remember what it felt not to know. You need to try to use metaphors, you need to use analogies, you need to use a common language that sacrifices the depth and the nuance that scientific language may have, but in order to gain something that is equally important, which is clarity. When we design good graphics, when we present visually information that is good to the public and we inform the public, we can help people make better decisions and better choices. And there is something good about that. Data science involves all that. Ultimately, what drives me is the pleasure of creating graphics that work, the pleasure of learning something that is cool, and then being able to convey to other people, this is so cool, take a look at it. I derive pleasure from that, and I have come to believe that that's the main driving force. If you are passionate about science, about knowledge, and about how numbers and statistics and the analysis of those numbers can be used for societal good, this is a field for you. The program will give you a toolkit that you can apply in tons of different fields, not just one.